Hi, in this video I will show how to use apkg viewer to add apkg file into Notion. Here you can see we have a Notion, we have an Anki, and I'm gonna export this one deck. Click export, and I want apkg file. I want jokes. And I will click this support order. It's important. Not include presets, export, and I will export to my documents, jokes, apkg, save, and it has been exported. Now I will go and I can open this into apkg viewer. I will link on a video of apkg viewer, how to work with it and how to install it. It's really quick and easy to install it. And you can see I can export into different format. I can save as CSV. It's asking me for name and location of the file. I can click save. And there is a new file, CSV. Now I can go to Notion and then click import and select my file. I can select CSV, and this is Anki apkg viewer file created, and it's importing 100%, still importing, and we have our apkg task. So this is like in format a question and answer. You can see here. What did skeleton order in the restaurant? It's spare ribs. Yeah. So entire 200 question and answers are here. So yeah, basically that's it. We imported our apkg file into Notion, and yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. And if you like to see more application like this, more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.